Hello friends, today I am going to start with the organic chemistry revision, and in this series our today's topic is some important name reactions throughout the organic chemistry. These are the names of the reactions only, chapter wise, and from this topic you will be able to secure 8 to 10 marks from organic chemistry. So what you have to do, note these names, and these are in alphabetical order. There is a separate topic at the last of most of the books like Pardeep, Dinesh and Morton by the name appendix of name reactions, and from that you have to select these reactions, write down the reactions, learn or cram the reaction simply with examples, 1 or 2 examples of each reaction. And from this there will be direct question, explain following name reactions, or sometime it will also help you in conversions or also to complete some given half reactions, and also in case of some mechanisms and some other questions also. So this is very important part that you have to read in this way. You have to make some different moves in organic chemistry. So now, the first one is haloalkanes and haloarenes. The reactions are Baz-Schemanen reaction, Petty's reaction, Fine-Kirstein reaction, Gattermann reaction, Huns-Daiker reaction, Sandmeyer reaction, Schwarz reaction, Allemannen reaction, Williamson synthesis, Woods reaction, and Woods-Petty's reaction. The most important are Gattermann, Huns-Daiker, Sandmeyer, and Williamson's and Woods reaction. Others are also important, but these are most important. Same way, from the unit alcohols, phenols and ethers, coupling reaction, esterification, Fries rearrangement, hydroboration oxidation, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and Schotten-Bowmanen reaction, Dawes process and Kolb reaction. The Riemann reactions are most important reactions, and also this one is esterification. There are some learning points which you must keep in mind, and that will be discussed in the forthcoming lectures, like electrophilic substitution, what are their meaning or definitions, so, substitution by nucleophile or simply nucleophilic substitution, beta elimination, Marconi-Coase rule, anti-Marconi-Coase rule, Saint-Jacques rule, Popov's rule, addition reaction, substitution reactions, hydrogenation reactions, dehydrogenation reactions, hydration and dehydration reactions, oxidation, reduction and condensation. Focus on these topics and study accordingly and clear these points, what type of these reactions are called and why they are called so. The third one unit is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, and the important name reactions are, starting with first one, aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, cross-aldol condensation, cross-Cannizzaro reaction, Itard's reaction, HVZ or Hell-Wohlhead-Zielinski reaction, Rosenmund reduction, Stefan reduction, Wolff-Kishner reduction, and Gattermann formylation, Gattermann-Koch reaction, Clemmensen reduction, Classen-Smith reaction, and Kolb electrolysis. And the last one, amines and diazonium salts. Number 4. The important name reactions are carbylamine or isocyanide or isonitrile reaction, diazotization, exhaustive alkylation, Gabriel Thalamide reaction, Hoffman bromide reaction, Hoffman ammonolysis, which is equal to exhaustive alkylation, and Schotten-Bowmanen reaction. This reaction is in both the units, means alcohols as well as amines. So by learning these reactions, most of the reactions will be clear to you, and not only the name reaction, other questions will also be solved, as I told you already in the starting of the lecture, and you can secure 8 to 10 marks nearby only by learning these reactions by name and by their explanations. There are some reactions which are common in two or more classes or units, like haloform reaction, halogenation, sulfonation, nitration, FC, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. They are common in most of the aromatic compounds of any class, maybe halogenes, ethers, phenols, aldehyde ketones, flagellate acids, even amines. Most of the reactions from B to F are present in all the chapters, and you have to focus on what type of these reactions are and what are the reagents which are common in most of the reactions. And this topic also helps in conversions. This whole name reactions will also help you to convert some of the compounds if you study these reactions carefully. To complete the given half reactions, sometimes name is not given but half reaction is given and complete, or sometimes product is given, identify the reactant, and also in mechanism of the some of the reactions. So I am not explaining each and every reaction here. This is the chart to show you that this is the major part of the organic chemistry, starting with the first one up to last. These will be found in alphabetical order at the last of your reference books. So these reactions must be written very necessarily to secure marks in organic chemistry. So this is my first lecture, and today start with this name reaction. In forthcoming lecture we will discuss this point, and our next topic mainly will be based on the chemical tests of organic compounds, from where 2 or 3 marks question or sometime more than that also is related to chemical tests of the organic compound. So in next lecture I will start with the chemical tests of organic compounds, distinguishing test. Thank you.